Hello all, welcome to eGanit. Today we are going to start first chapter similarity. In this video we are going to study ratio of areas of two triangles. First we recall ratio. If A and B are the two numbers, then the ratio of A to B we write in two ways. A is to B in this way or A upon B. Ratio is a number, so it doesn't have any unit. Now we recall area of triangle. What is the formula for area of triangle? First we draw triangle ABC. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. If we take BC as the base, then AD is height. From opposite vertex, BC च्या opposite vertex मधून perpendicular height काढलेली आहे. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AD. If we take AB as a base, then CF is a height. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AB into CF. When we take AC as a base, then we draw altitude or height from vertex B. B is height. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AC into BE. Here we observe whenever base is changed, corresponding height is also changed. This is a acute angle triangle. Therefore, all three heights or altitudes intersect inside the triangle. For obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle, we see in the next slide. Here I draw obtuse angle triangle. I take this side as a base. Here is the obtuse angle, so I produce this side and draw perpendicular from this vertex. This is the base and this is height. For second side, for this side, I produce and draw perpendicular from this vertex. When I take this side, then I draw a perpendicular altitude or height. From which point? This point. Okay, we draw. Here in obtuse angle triangle, all altitudes intersect outside the triangle. Here I draw right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, right angle sides are base and height. If I take this side as a base, then this is the height. If I take this as a base, then this become height. If I take hypotenuse as the base, then from this right angle vertex we draw perpendicular height. Now here is the homework. Name the triangle and its altitude means height and write down area of triangles by using all three sides as a base. Ratio of areas of two triangles. Here we draw two triangles. Name it triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If we take ABC as the base, then we draw height from vertex A. Here AD is the height. In this triangle PQR, QR is the base, then height is PS. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AD. Similarly, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into QR into PS. आता या दोन्हींचा आपल्याला रेशो काढायचा आहे. मग लिहूया in the form of numerator and denominator. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is equal to half into BC into AD is to and half into QR into PS. Here 1 upon 2 means half, half is common, cancel it, is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. Here BC is the base and AD is the height. Hence, we write down the property. Hence, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Product of their bases and corresponding heights. If B1 is the base and H1 is the height of the first triangle and B2 is the base and H2 is the height of the second triangle, A1 and A2 are the areas of first and second triangle respectively, then we write shortly A1 is to A2 is equal to B1 into H1 is to B2 into H2. This is the ratio of areas of two triangles. In the next video, we see the conditions. We stop here only. If you like the video, like it and share it. Thank you once again.